Today, we will discuss Coolify and Kubernetes. Both seek to streamline application deployment and management, but they cater to varying scales and complexities. Both platforms fulfill the requirement for scalability, although Kubernetes targets significantly larger and more intricate scaling situations. Each tool offers an abstraction layer over the server infrastructure, simplifying the deployment and management of applications without requiring direct interaction with servers' low-level details. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Codify seeks to streamline the deployment and management of applications, especially for individual developers and smaller projects. It offers an easy to use interface and automates numerous tasks related to deploying and managing applications, frequently making use of Docker. It is intended to be extremely user friendly. Coolify is intended to be significantly easier to use than Kubernetes, needing less technical knowledge. It's a great choice for anyone looking to deploy and manage applications without the intricacies of Kubernetes. Kubernetes is a powerful system for orchestrating containers. It is built to automate the deployment, scaling, and management of applications within containers. It's perfect for intricate large scale applications that need high availability, scalability, and robustness. Kubernetes offers an advanced framework for overseeing groups of machines, allocating tasks, and managing failures. Kubernetes presents a challenging learning curve and demands considerable expertise for proper setup and management. It provides a significant level of flexibility and control, though this results in greater complexity. All in all, Kubernetes is a robust and powerful container orchestration system for large-scale complex applications. Coolify is a user-friendly platform that simplifies application deployment and management, particularly for smaller projects and those who value ease of use.